A good neighborhood. The third word is life is called Santa Lucia and is located in neighborhood called Bojaca in Chia, Cundinamarca. The neighborhood is located north of the town. It's very beautiful and nice. There is everything there. Many shops, a stationery, hairdresser and short, a park, some bars and two restaurants, one Peruvian and the other meat, very famous of jars called Rosita. There are no medical centers, but they are close. And there is a famous the dealership for the purchase and sales of Renault vehicles. In front of my residence, there is a place for the elderly where they spend the day and have a lot of fun. Also, a nursery where all kinds of plants are obtained. Nursery, pura vida. The neighboring sets are very beautiful. It's a very quiet place. The only thing is the sound of the dogs of some neighbors who bark without restraint. What I like most about this neighborhood is location. I have ever seen nearby, and my set is very calm, safe, and beautiful. And the best thing is that my neighbors are very nice and helpful people. Thanks.